Hi guys, welcome back with the second puzzle. Second puzzle, not in today's newspaper or actually yesterday's newspaper of Saturday. It's actually today, Sunday, April 3rd, and today we don't receive any newspaper, so I've decided to solve the rest of the puzzles of the edition of Thursday, March the 31st, 2022. Yes, I've already done one puzzle, the One Star Sudoku. We have three puzzles left, the Two Stars Sudoku, the Tectonic, and the Binary. Well, the Two Stars Sudoku. Yeah, two stars. Let me zoom this out. Okay. Two Stars Sudoku. This will be number, I believe, number 435454. All right. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 26 printed digits. Correct me if I'm wrong, okay? And for a two stars puzzle, I need my time limit is 15 to 20 minutes. Yes, that's my time limit. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have a 4 in the last column, 4 in the column next. So in that column, the only 3 places left for the 4 should be here, or there. We see therefore no 4 there. Here, 4. No 4 there. The only place left for the 4 should be here. 5 in this row. 5 in the last row. So the row between, the only place left for the 5 should be here. Then, let me see. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 8 and the 3. We have an 8 and a 3 in this column. So no 8 and a 3 in these 2 boxes. The 8 and a 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 8 and a 3, 8 and a 3. We have an 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here and a 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers, a 1 is missing and a 2 is missing. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 1 goes and there. 2 numbers left in this column. 4 numbers, so 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 5 and a 9, 5 and a 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 5, it goes there. Then 8 in this row. 8 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see there, 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here. 8 in the third column. 8 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see there, 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here. Then I cannot continue with the 8. Need to wait. How about 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number is, 2 of those missing numbers are the 6 and the 3. We have a 6 and a 3 in this column, so no 6 and a 3 in these 3 boxes. The 6 and the 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 6 and a 3, 6 and a 3. We have a 6 there, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 3 in this row, 3 in the row below. So last row, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 1 box left in the last row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 9 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. 1 is missing and a 2 is missing. 1 and a 2, 1 and a 2. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 1 goes there. All right. Then. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 1 and the 9. We have a 1 and a 9 in this row. So no 1 and a 9 in these two boxes. The 1 and a 9 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. Let me mark those two boxes. The other pair in this big square are the numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, and a 7 is missing. 6 and a 7, 6 and a 7. We have a 6 there, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 7 goes there. All right. Then we have a 3 in this row, 3 in that row. So row B3 in the middle row, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 3 in the first column, 3 in the second column. So in the third column, the only two places left for the 3 should be here or there. You see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in the third row, 3 in the first row. So row B3 in the second row, the only 3 places left for the 3 should be here, here, or there. We see here 3, no 3 there. Here also a 3, no 3 there. The only place left for the 3 should be there. Okay. 6 in the third row, 6 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 3 places left for the 6 should be here, here, or there. We see there 6, no 6 there. Here 6, no 6 there. The only place left for the 6 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 6. Okay. How about the 3? Can I count the 3? And all the 3s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 3. Okay. All right. Well, we have here 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 1. We see here a 1 in this first row. So no 1 in this box. The 1 could be here, could be there. 1 in one of those two boxes in the third row. 1 in the first row. So the row between the second row. The only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here. Well, we have 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 1, 2, 9, 1, 2, 9, 1, 2, 9. And look, we have a 2 and a 9 in the last column. So no 2 and a 9 in this box. The 2 and a 9 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. Let me mark those. 2 and a 9. So 1 digit left in this big square for the number 1. Okay, 2 numbers left in the last column for the numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, the 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. That means the other pair in this big square are the numbers 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 1 and a 7, 1 and a 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes. All right. And then. How about? Let me see. Interesting. I'm scanning. Well. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4 in this column, so no 4 in these 3 boxes here. 4 in this row, no 4 in those 3 boxes. So the 4 could be here, could be there. 4 in this column, 4 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in the first row, 4 in the second row. So the third row, only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in the first column, 4 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. And I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with the 4. Now we have a 4 there, so this box cannot be a 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. All right. And all the 4s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 4. Okay. 2 numbers left in the middle row for numbers 1 and a 7. 1 and a 7. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here. And the 7 goes there. And I've eliminated the 7 here, so the 7 goes there. Okay. In this big square, yeah. 6 and 8 are still left. 2 and 9 are still left. Let me see. Yeah. 7, 7. Yeah. 1, 9, 5. Okay. 5 and this. Yeah, 2 numbers left in this column. 4 numbers are 1 and 2. The 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 5 and a 7, 5 and a 7, 5 and a 7. We have a 5 there, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 7 goes there. 7 in the first row, 7 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 7 in the third column, 7 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. You see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 7. Okay. 3 missing numbers in this big square. 1 of the missing numbers are 5. We see here 5 in this row. So no 5 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5. Should be there. 5 in this column, third column. 5 in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5. No 5 there. 5 should be here. 5 in the first row, 5 in the second row. So in the third row, only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here. And all the 5s are used. I can see. Digit number 4, number 5. Okay, 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, 2 and 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Now we have a 9 here, so this box can be 9 anymore. That box should be a 9, and this box should be a 1. 1 in this column, first column, 1 in the second column. So the third column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and a 6, 2 and a 6. We have a 6 there, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Now we have a 6 there, so this box can be 6 anymore. That box should be 6, and this box should be an 8. 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. Well, I cannot fill this yet. Let me wait. How about these 2 numbers in this row? 4 numbers are 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have an 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 9 8 goes there. Now we have a 9 here, so this box can be 9 anymore. That box should be a 9, and this box should be a 2. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 9. Final 2 numbers of this big square. For numbers 1 is missing, and a 2 is missing. 1 and a 2, 1 and a 2. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Finish in 14 minutes. Well, I'm well pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Is this really a 2 stars? Well, let me give this a 1 star because I'm faster than 15 minutes. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Thank you again for watching. Before I leave, again, I'm interested in the center boxes of the big squares. Maybe you can see a pattern, maybe I can see a pattern. I'm collecting those data for a while. I believe 7 weeks. Well, after 10 weeks I will stop. Okay, so we have 935, 935, 341, 341, and 176, 176. Here we have the 1 as a pair, the 3 as a pair. That's all. 2 pairs, I believe. Yeah. The 1, the 3, 4, 7, 6, 5, 9. Yes. 2 pairs. All right. Thank you. And see you in a minute with the other 2 puzzles. Tectonic with 1 star and the binary. Until then, bye bye for now.